Compact to travel but roomy to live in, this 2018 Flagstaff High Wall HW27SC from Gillette is the perfect solution for lightweight camping. This folding pop-up by Forest River is constructed with a smooth oyster fiberglass that's vacuum bonded with black accents. It has a vacuum bonded radius roof with no center seam. There's a 2,000-pound tongue jack with swivel heel. It has a powder-coated tubular steel frame to resist rusting as well. When this camper is set up, it expands to include front and rear beds and a slide-out dinette. The rooms feature 5-piece sectionalized Vinolon Supreme tenting material that is permanently attached on the ends. The beds have a full perimeter aluminum frame and plywood bunk ends. When you step inside, you'll see tile-look linoleum flooring and two-tone fabric seating. The family-style dinette has 4-inch cushions and storage underneath the benches. The kitchen across from the dinette has a 3-burner glass-top stove with oven, microwave, a double-bowl sink, and a Dometic refrigerator. An L-shaped sofa provides additional seating as well. This model includes a wet bath that offers an integrated toilet and shower for easy bathing. The front and rear beds feature zipper windows for great ventilation. RV shopping has never been easier than on Gillette's InterstateRV.com. Gillette's knowledgeable experts are only a click or phone call away at 517-721-7513. So stop by Gillette's Interstate RV, shop online, or give us a call today.